Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for watching. We are doing a clean with me today. So as you can tell, there's a lot of decorations around. My son Pax just turned 2 and we had a big birthday party for him. I cannot believe he's already 2. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna be cleaning this up. There's so much stuff everywhere. Presents, balloons, decor, all of the things. We're gonna do the inside and the outside of the house because the outside, just the lawn is just insane. So we got to fix everything, get everything back in order. So yeah, here we go. Enjoy. So I got this new Miss Myers spray. I used to get this scent all the time. It's the basil scent and it smells so good. But I used to work with it, so it reminds me of work. So I didn't use it for like 3 years and I just got it back again and oh my gosh, it smells so good. Also, Miss Myers just works so well and it's like $3 or $4. It's so cheap and it really works so well. So yeah, if you haven't tried it, you should.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
So I absolutely hate popping balloons, but someone's got to do it, so I just took one for the team. So I'm just doing that really quick. There's so many balloons. I blew up so many. I don't know why, because we really didn't use any of them for anything. I mean, they were cute for decor, but I just don't think we needed this much. So cleaning up this mess real quick, and then we will start unloading the dishwasher.
And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
So I don't know if you can tell, but we had a beach theme for Pax's party. It was so fun. So we like themed it to the beach because he was turning 2. So it was like TWO. It was so fun to watch him hang out with all of his little friends and to see everybody. And yeah, it was a big hit, and I am so glad that we did it. I feel like I want to have a birthday party for him every single year. Well, and Rainy. And my other kid too, of course. But yeah, it was just so special, and it was just such a special time for Pags, and I know he won't remember it, but we sure will. So yeah, highly recommend throwing birthday parties for your kids if you haven't already. Okay, so I noticed when I'm popping these balloons that every time I would pop them, they would just go everywhere, like the balloon remnants. So I just started popping them in bags and in boxes. So I'm popping them in this, and then like I would get a grocery bag and pop them in that so it wouldn't fly everywhere. So there's a little tip for you if you need to pop a lot of balloons anytime soon.
Down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should.
Okay, so now we're just wrapping up with the family room, and then we are going to move on to throwing everything upstairs. Well, we're not going to throw it. We're going to walk it upstairs like we should. Yeah, so I recommend doing that if you have stairs. So I always like collect everything that needs to go upstairs in one pile, as you can see, and then I only have to take like 1 or 2 trips to bring, probably sometimes like 3 or 4 trips to bring it up. And yeah, so it's just so much easier that way, because then you don't have to keep going up and down the stairs. And yeah, so let's do that.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, but you don't know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know, but you don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
Feel like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love.
Okay, so we're just gonna finish up vacuuming in this whole downstairs, and then I'm going to start on the outside, and just wait until you see the before and after of the outside, because it is so satisfying.
'Cause tonight we have it all. Good when dancing is one. 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 We've been into places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body.
So the inside is all done and all clean. It feels so good and so fresh, and wow, what a transformation that was. It was so bad before. I don't know if you remember, but yeah. Where she's looking good now. I will say I didn't do the dishes because I hate doing the dishes. So my husband did those. Don't worry, but I didn't film it. Anyways, yeah. So let's move on to the outside. Here's what we're working with.
Good when dancing is one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving.
Okay, there was a huge spider on this one, and I don't like spideys. So Nick went ahead and got that one, because I was like, I mean, I'm not gonna kill it. You're outside, you're in your own environment. So I just gave it to the hubby, and he handled it for me.
Good when dancing is one. Good when dancing is one.
I was worried you blowed my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh, no, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
Oh my gosh, this freaking pool, you guys, it was so heavy, and I didn't know that water weighed so much. Like, I don't know if that was stupid of me to say, but wow, I didn't realize that it's just so freaking heavy. So Nick also helped me with this one too.
Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so.
Okay, so Nick is just taking care of that last little palm tree cooler, and then that about wraps up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have made it this far, a shout out to you. Thank you. Leave a comment down below and say hi. I would love to chat if you're new here, and make sure you subscribe if you would like to. I would love to have you. Yeah, so we'll see you in a few days in a brand new video. Bye-bye.